Hi, this is Cleat from Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, and today I'm going to show you one of LG's top electric ranges, and guess what? It's the highest rated range in Consumer Report under $1,000.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Okay, so today we're looking at this LG range right here. It's an electric smooth top range. It's self-clean. It's actually a really nice one. And I bring this up because when it goes on promotion, its everyday price is at $1049, but when it goes on promotion, it's at $949, and is the least expensive electric range that you can get that right now is the highest rated in Consumer Reports. So this gets, I believe it's an 87 or 88 score, but what you know about in Consumer Reports is that's actually really highly scored for Consumer Reports. So what are the things that we like about it? Well, I can tell you right now that it is a convection oven. So I really like it when an oven is convection oven. And what you see at the back here is that big fan. What that does is actually makes all the shelves cook at the same temperature. Otherwise it'd be a hot spot in here closer to the elements, and it makes things uneven. Well, when you have that fan blowing around, it makes it the same air all the way through. So what that does for you, you can cook every level, so you can have cookies here. You could move the racks up. They'll all cook just the same instead of burning one of the racks. Or if you put meat in there, that meat is going to be nice and juicy on the inside because it seals it real quick. And then it actually sears the outside of the meat, which makes it just super juicy. I mean, it's really good. Convection bake, convection roast, that's the best way to do your ovens. And you know what? It makes it cook a little faster. So when you put something in here, your recipe, and you punch it in there, this is automatically adjust the timing or the temperature so that it doesn't burn your food. It actually gives you a higher quality of food, more restaurant style, with a lot less energy usage and time saved on this. So it's kind of nice. The other thing this has got is air fry. So air fry is kind of the newest buzzword in cooking. You'll see a lot of the brands have that. So what is air fry? Well, the things that you typically see in a like a fast food that they dump in the grease and they bring it out like French fries, tater tots, whatever, you know, hot wings. Well, those are things that are usually fried, but you don't need to do that anymore. You can just put it in here, set it for air fry, and again, it's going to use that convection fan in back. But an air fry range, that convection fan is going much faster than regular convection fans do. So that speed allows it to wrap even better, eliminating the need for grease. So anytime you can get grease out of your food, you know you're going to like that. It's going to crisp up the outside and really make it taste good, just like as if you got it with all that sin still inside of it. So I think you'll like that. This is a 6.3 cubic foot range. It is the inside large enough for the largest turkey you can buy. This is the biggest you can get on the market right now. So it's beautiful on the inside. It's blue on the inside. It's supposed to make the food, when you're looking from the outside, look more like it was under regular light. But as I always say, I think they really did it just because it looks really cool. So on the top, it's very nice as well. Here we have a warming burner. So this one actually doesn't cook. It just makes it so that where a sauce or a soup or whatever is on there doesn't burn anymore. It just keeps it warm. So that's kind of nice. It helps stabilize some things while you're finishing the rest of the meal. We've got the two smaller burners and then we have the two larger ones, but you can hardly see it. But in here we have dual rings on the outside and the inside. So depending on which way you turn the knob, either this will cook or the whole thing will cook. Same thing here. We actually have larger rings here on the inside and bigger on the outside. So that means that you can get a full variety of pans and still be able to work. You're not going to waste any sizes because this will do all the sizes that you can do on there. So that's very nice as well. It's also styled very nice. If you look, what's different about this, look at this one next to it. See, this is kind of normal. Here we've got the stainless steel, so it's more stylish. It's easier to clean. I actually like this one a lot. And the other thing that's easy to clean about it is, again, on the inside. This is one of those where you can set it for easy clean. You can spray the inside and just wipe it out after about 10 minutes. That keeps you from having to use extreme heats, and it allows you not to have the smell go out throughout the house. And it's a lot lower temperature, which is much safer on the range's control panel. So I think you'll like this one a lot. It is something that we certainly recommend. Hey, thanks for joining us today. I really enjoyed having you, and I hope you enjoyed this as well and you learned something. So if you did like it, boy, we'd like to see you again. Please like and subscribe so that we can do this some more.